Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So, you type a prompt into Gemini, hit enter, nothing actually happens. The cursor just spins or the page is dead blank, or you get just something went wrong, error. This is one of the most frustrating issues. Gemini is completely unresponsive. The most common cause is a failed authentication token. Gemini session might have expired or become corrupted. Cleaning your cache and re-authenticated usually fixes it. So let me show you the complete process. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, you want to go and check the server status. Before you change anything on your end, check if Gemini is down for everyone. Check down the texture, the Gemini community forums, or the official who status page. If there is an active outage, wait for Google to resolve it. Then you can easily go and clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted cache is the most common cause. Clear your browser cache and cookies for the Gemini site, then restart your browser and try again. You can then try incognito mode, open an incognito private window, log into Gemini and try again. If it works, the issue is a browser extension or any cache data. Then you have to sign out and back in. Sign out of your Google account completely, close the browser, reopen and sign back in. This forces a fresh authentication token. Then try a different browser or app. If the web version isn't responding, try the mobile app, or depends on the situation. If you are using the mobile app, you can go and try as you see the website and all of this. And as a last resort, you have to report the issue. That's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.